Pabili po. Nescafe 3-in-1 nga po.
With the previous providing more than 6 months, you are already covered. Okay, so what is, you have medical history taking, complete blood count, years old and above, past smear for up to your pre-existing 2,500. To work in an allergy test, it's up to MBL,